Step 8. Wiring. Feed the yellow and brown wire along the driver's side using the pre-cut holes. Tuck the wire snug in the front corner for the amber marker light. Insert the marker light into the pre-drilled holes and secure it to the frame using a 10-millimetre socket. With a knife, carefully separate the brown and yellow wire near the front corner by the marker light. Push the brown wire all the way to the back channel of the blue wire connector. Slide the marker light wire into the front channel without exposing any wire beyond the end of the wire connector. Using pliers, squeeze the metal blade of the connector until it is tight enough to make the connection between both wires. Verify the blade is all the way in place and close the cover. At the back of the trailer, cut the wire, leaving a 6-inch tail. Feed the wire through the tail light hole. With a knife, split the yellow and brown wire. Strip a 1/4-inch section at the end of both wires and twist the copper ends. Plug each wire into the corresponding holes in the back of the tail light. On the back of the tail light, run the wire along the recessed wire channel and then secure the license plate holder with the tail light using a 10-millimetre socket. Pull the excess wire back into the frame and secure it with the zip ties using the holes provided. With the driver's side complete, you can now do the same process on the passenger side. Always test the lights before using the trailer. Verify the VIN label and registration document have the same VIN. Place the VIN label on the driver's side of the tongue channel and then place the overlay on the top of it. The assembly process of this 4x8 Westbrook kit trailer is now complete.